Thank you very much. It's a pleasure for me to be here in New York, back in New York. As the CEO of the Israeli Export Institute, it's an honor to support this initiative and this conference. Izar and family, Chemi, Eyal Valman that was here. It's an honor, and it's a very important initiative which we will be happy to support on an ongoing basis. I'm honored to present the startups of the deal in the medical field. And I want to give you just a bit of a background on the medical field in Israel, and we'll hear more about it also later from Liat and the other speakers. Okay, so Israeli life science industry is around 1,800 companies, and you can see that the focus is mainly on digital health and AI and medical devices, although we have some fantastic innovations also in the area of biotech, which today we put a lot of emphasis on, the connection between biotech and bio and engineering, and we call it the bioconvergence, and also innovation in pharma. If we want to understand the uniqueness of the Israeli ecosystem, and this is similar, by the way, also to other areas, is sometimes I say it's not always an advantage to be small, but when you want to build ecosystems and strong ecosystems, being small is an advantage. And you can see that all of the major components for this sector are in place and working together to allow companies to flourish. So we have top-notch hospitals in Israel, very high level of medical service. We have strong HMOs that also control, in some cases, the service providers. There is a lot of data, which I thought was well organized, but still have a way to go. But there is a lot of electronic data of patients and electronic data of hospitals, which gives a lot of a very good background for companies to flourish, government funding, high level of research in universities, private funding, of course, and strong AI capabilities. The uniqueness of the healthcare ecosystem is that everybody works hand in hand, the companies, the investors, the hospitals, and the government, and to provide not just high level of medical services, but also to allow innovation to be incorporated in this process. What we can see is, again, strong connection of data and providing a platform for innovation, better doctor education and training, allowing also simulation of new methods and new medical techniques, and very strong AI capabilities in all technological areas that are being implemented in companies. So we're going to see today 5 companies. We're going to hear from 5 companies, which basically gives a taste of all of what I have mentioned. And what do we do at the Israel Export Institute? We provide companies the opportunity to work worldwide and to connect to business opportunities. We do activities together with the commercial attachés around the world, and we have about 800 activities around the world to allow Israeli companies to open doors in various markets. So again, I'm happy to be here, and I want to invite the companies on stage.